Hey guys, it's Jesse. Today I'm showing you how to build these awesome bathroom items. Furniture? It's a tub, a sink, and a toilet. Anyway, these are really easy to build. They use pretty common pieces. And this tub that I'm building right now, and then the bathroom sink that you'll see actually attached to a wall rather than the floor. But I was going for a more modern feel with these, and I think they turned out really well. I like to add little details like the candles to the bathtub, the rubber ducky, and the little bath mat. I think the most forgotten about room when people build houses or like apartments or buildings is a bathroom. Sometimes you just don't have room for it and it's just not necessary. But I'm assuming minifigures do go to the bathroom, so of course we have to give them a proper place to do their business. Next up is this awesome toilet. I wanted to basically have a minifigure hand as the flusher and also have an effect that the toilet seat was up and you can see the water inside. And then the toilet paper holder, which is super simple. You just need headlight bricks, a 1x2 plate, and then a bucket handle. The bucket handle just literally fits into it. I know it's like an illegal building technique, but it's such an effective way to get a wall-mounted toilet paper holder. Also, if you're unsure of what parts you need to build this, I am including a parts list for all 3 builds at the end of the video, so be sure to watch all the way through to see that. And lastly, we have the bathroom sink. This one is more of a vanity, I guess, because there's some cabinetry underneath the sink. I just use a simple panel piece for the actual sink basin and then use some snot building techniques on the sides. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Building bathroom stuff is actually pretty fun. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Brick Designed. I'm always doing tutorials on there. Also, don't forget the parts list for each of these builds is right after this build. Smash that like button for me if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing if you don't already. I'll see you guys in the next one.